Hi, hello and welcome back. Fish Rava Fry. This is going to be a crispy fish fry, usually prepared using a whole fish like mackerel, pomfret or even seer. Now the choice of fish that I have chosen today is going to be a small sized butterfish. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Now for this fish fry, we're going to prepare a paste for marination. Now for that paste, usually we use tamarind. I'm going to replace the tamarind with Kukum peel. Now the Kukum peel is available in the market easily, but however, if in case you don't find, you can still use tamarind. Now I've taken 4 to 5 Kukum peels. I've soaked it in water for half an hour. Add the Kukum peel to a mixer jar. Add half an inch of ginger finely chopped, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste. Now we will grind this into a fine paste. Now I have taken 1 kilogram of small size butterfish and I have cleaned it up and I will cut slits on the fish. We will massage this fish with the paste that we prepared. Allow the fish to marinate for 1 hour time. Now for the rava dip, I have taken 3 teaspoons of rava or suji. I've added 2 teaspoons of gram flour and salt for taste. We will mix this. Now for frying fish, I've taken a flat iron tawa. Usually you can use any metal tawas or pans for frying this fish. Now we will preheat it and add some oil to the tawa. Now once the oil is on, take the marinated fish, dip it in the powder that we prepared earlier. Now flip it over to the other side so that it gets coated on the other side too. Now dust the excess coating, dip it in the oil. Whenever you're frying a fish, one thing to remember, always fry it in lower medium flame. Once this is fried on one side for 2 minutes, we will flip it over. Fry the other side for 2 minutes. Your rava fish fry is ready to be served. Hope you loved this video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.